So you want to learn how to use the Harley Infotainment Control Unit and unlock its full potential? Well, you've definitely come to the right place. So many Harley touring models are now coming with the all-new Infotainment Control Unit, IFCU, which is a completely new integrated digital dash system. Harley put a ton of effort, design, and engineering into this new digital dash system over many years. So it's fair to say that many touring models will be equipped with this new digital dash system into the foreseeable future. What Harley didn't do was make a detailed and thorough tutorial video for everyday bikers on how to properly and most efficiently use this very versatile and capable digital dash system. And so that's when I stepped in to help bikers master the Infotainment Control Unit. Let's face it, this new large and completely digital dash will be staring you at the face every time you ride your Harley now, and it's going to be a large part of the way you interact with your machine. So it makes perfect sense to me that you'd want to know everything there is to know about it. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you, that's right, you, for checking back in. Now, if you're new to the channel, over the past 11 years, 95% of the content we put out is completely free to the biker community. We do sell just a few videos for obvious reasons. This is one of those videos, but stick around. I have a lot of information for you. Now, since the release of the new Harley Infotainment Control Unit and Digital Dash, our email and social media have been blowing up with bikers asking how long until I release a proper tutorial video on it. And the reason they're asking us is that we have been considered the Harley boombox expert since 2014, when the motor company first introduced the now older infotainment system. So after putting much effort and countless hours in, I am very excited to announce that I have released my very detailed and thorough tutorial video on the Harley Infotainment Control Unit. And you can get my video at any time at either lawabidingbiker.com/IFCU or lawabidingbiker.com/Harley Digital Dash, whichever is easiest for you to remember. And I'll also link to that in the description below. And our long-standing Harley Boombox Infotainment System tutorial videos can be found at lawabidingbiker.com/Harley Boombox. For the past 10 years, we've helped a ton of bikers across the world learn the Boombox system, which is installed on touring models from 2014 to even a few 2024 models. And we plan on doing the same with this new IFCU digital dash system. First, you need to understand many dealership personnel lack overall knowledge of this new IFCU, its functionality and capabilities, so it's really hard for them to even provide you with support or answer all your questions. That's why many dealerships not only watched my tutorial videos themselves, but also reported to us that they advise customers to go get my videos on the boombox to fully understand and get the most out of it, and the same is going to happen with the new IFCU. And this is not necessarily the dealership's fault, as Harley pushed this new IFCU digital dash out on select 2024 models and the 2023 CVOs with very little, if any, training. And understand, I'm a biker just like you, so I know I can show you how to get up and running with the IFCU digital dash system in no time. From my experience, I know how to teach everyday bikers just like you how to fully utilize this system with ease. I have spent a ton of time working with, testing, and fully understanding the IFCU, and now I want to pass my knowledge on to you, so you don't have to spend all the time I did trying to figure everything out. And so I put everything into a very detailed and methodical 2-part video series. I'll show you how to get up and running in no time with your IFCU and take the stress out of it. And even if you don't believe you're tech savvy, I guarantee I'll break it down to basic levels for you to make it super easy for anyone to understand. This video will literally flatten your learning curve so you can spend less time trying to figure out the IFCU and more time riding. The IFCU is quite powerful, and unfortunately, most bikers don't know its full capability. I show you all of my tips and tricks on how to work around certain things so you can quickly get around in the system and make it work best for you. I also show you hidden menus, selections, items, and reveal it all to you in this detailed tutorial video. And just a few of the items I cover are system settings and configuration, phone compatibility and pairing, rider and passenger headset compatibility and pairing, dash layouts, ride modes, shortcuts, Apple CarPlay activation and configuration, Wi-Fi use and settings, embedded navigation, activation and use, voice commands and integration, Harley smartphone app use and integration, system software updates, amplifier updates, and a plethora of other things. My tutorial video is literally so jam-packed with information that you don't know that to properly and thoroughly share it with you, the video is 1 hour and 15 minutes long and split into 2 parts. I left nothing out or to chance, so you'll be left with no questions or confusion. Now, I caution you on scouring the internet and looking at less than credible websites, YouTube channels, and sketchy forums, as that information will be lacking and oftentimes is just dead wrong. It will just leave you stressed out and pulling your hair out. I can guarantee that you won't get the thoroughness and detail that I've worked very long hours to put into this tutorial video for you. Best of all is that with my video, you get it all in one place and you'll know you're getting it from a trusted and experienced source. And just a quick reminder that you can get my IFCU tutorial video at any time at either lawabidingbiker.com/IFCU or lawabidingbiker.com/HARLEY-DIGITAL-, whichever is easiest for you to remember. And I'll put those links in the description below. Upon purchase, you'll get immediate access to the entire IFCU tutorial video in 4K resolution. Nope, no clunky DVDs here as it's outdated technology. Our videos stream immediately upon purchase, just like a YouTube video, and you can watch on any device with a good internet connection as many times as you want for life. And it's worth noting that I know much about the IFCU from spending a ton of time with it myself and also talking directly to Harley engineers in person when the system was released. And of course, I still have those contacts, so if I don't know an answer when you contact me, I can get it for you. With that said, my commitment to you is that on any big future news or changes to the IFCU, I'll put out additional video files free of charge to those who have purchased the video. And you'll receive an email notification when I do so you can stay informed. I really just want to help as many bikers as I can worldwide learn and use the IFCU to its fullest potential, as it's a large part of how you will interact with your Harley now. And for many years now, we have received rave reviews and thanks for our boombox tutorial videos and for helping bikers around the world. And I know I can help you with the IFCU system too. I guarantee it. Now, the other popular video I suggest you get after this one is our Harley-Davidson online ride planner and smartphone app tutorial if you're going to use the internal embedded navigation in the IFCU. In that video, I teach you how to fully utilize the free online software called Ride Planner that Harley-Davidson provides, along with our integrated smartphone app for iOS or Android. I show you how to effectively and efficiently use it, how to plan a trip, create a map with waypoints, download it, and upload it or transfer it via the Harley-Davidson app directly to your boombox system or the IFCU system. And you can find that video on the same page as this video using the links I already mentioned and that are in the link in the description. I want to personally thank you and the entire biker community for your continued support of Law Abiding Biker Media and for supporting our mission to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. It's a biker revolution after all. So what are you waiting for, bikeaholics? Get the video already and stop stressing out. You have my personal guarantee. You'll love it. You'll learn a lot. Peace.
I woke up feeling like this gon' be my day. I got that poppin' fire every step I take. Living that wild life, not stopping out no way. Just seeing green lights, won't ever touch the brakes. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.